Hey guys, we're doing the team draw now for 6 rock break. It's 9:40, 7 seconds PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now the teams. 8 times. 8, number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I'm complete. And the teams are Zach Wizards, Albie Clippers, Sean Bulls, Albie Pistons, Zach Mavericks, Mr. Holland Sixers, Marcus a lot Spurs, Nathaniel Hawks, William with the Nets, Dwayne Knicks, Albie Heat, Brendan Celtics, Albie with the Warriors, Garth the Nuggets, Nathan with the Rockets, Melissa with the Raptors, Matt White Magic, Jason Dunn Cavs, Zach with the Thunder, Zach Nichols with the Hornets, Timothy Price with the Lakers, Ash Peters Blazers, Tane with the Bucks, Matthew with the Suns, Coe with the Grizzlies, Lindsay with the Pelicans, William with the Pacers, Matt with Jazz, Danny with the Kings, and Kiwi with the Wolves. And that's it. So copy that.